Hello to all my YouTube friends. I have more quick and easy summer patio ideas for you. These boho DIYs are all super cheap thanks to some Dollar Tree finds. Keep watching to see how easy these were to put together. Today I'm doing a collab with my friend Liana, who also does Dollar Tree DIYs over at Terrarium Crafts. She is so creative and has a whimsical vintage style to her DIYs. We're both doing summer themed DIYs in our collab today, so make sure to check out her video in the description box below. I've been wanting to make an herb garden, so I found these little baskets at Dollar Tree, and I want to put together some labels for them so I'll know which one is which herb. This cork sheet is really thin, so it was super easy to cut. I put a little label on it and used these letters I found at Dollar Tree to display what kinds of herbs were in each basket. You can use a little glue to make these really secure. I used some Dollar Tree twine to connect the baskets together, and then I got to the fun part, planting those herbs. But it ended up not being so fun because I picked just about the worst day to film because it was raining outside, but I did my best to get some good shots. The weather was just not cooperating. If you're new here or stopping by from Terrarium Crafts channel, make sure to leave me a comment below so I can get to know you a little bit better. My name's Maria and my passion is sharing ways to get creative in your home. If you like home DIYs and other types of creative inspiration, please hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell right now so you'll know when I post my next video. I really appreciate all your love and support on my channel. After planting my herbs, I just attached this to my patio rail, and now I have a really cute little herb garden for just a few dollars. I had a couple of herbs left, so I decided to do a few standalone planters with some mason jars. I painted these Dollar Tree mason jars with a fun boho pattern. All I did was mark off some shapes with masking tape, and I painted the negative space. You may want to add a clear coat after the paint dries so that it really sticks on there well. I added a little twine at the top. And I thought these came out really cute. I have a table outside on my patio, and I thought it might be nice to set those extra herbs on something with a little boho style. Dollar Tree has this really nice rope, and I used that rope and some hot glue to create a circle. I also found this white yarn at Dollar Tree and attached it to the back with some hot glue. This would also make a really cute coaster, or if you made it just a little bit bigger, you could even use this as a placemat. I made it the perfect size so it would fit right on my covered patio table and be a nice little spot for those extra herbs. I hope you enjoyed these summer boho DIYs. If you like Dollar Tree DIYs, don't forget to check out Liana's video over at Terrarium Crafts so that you can get more summer themed DIYs. All the info is in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.